Color the right picture. Color daw, anak. Use color. Gift. Where is the gift? Color the gift. Picture. Use color crayon. Use color sa crayon. Sige. Color the gift. Where's the gift? Sige. Color it.
Even the present? Wrapper?
Yeah. Go to the physical.
Oh,
Why?
dito sakit ang putot.
Sakit mo ba ito? Hindi ka ba scared?
Oh, great. I'm a boy.
Next. Comb. Where's the comb? Okay, color the comb. Comb is for hair. Why is it tagal? Kay Tita Gil.
Ah!
Kasi ang haba daw ng chika namin. Binigyan na naman. Okay, next. Done. Ice cream. Where is the ice cream? Okay, color the ice cream picture.
Pink.
Okay, wala tayong pink.
Red.
Sige. Ice cream.
Rainbow ice cream.
Even one color lang. Goods na yung one color. You like red? Sige, red mo na lang.
Wait, the cherry is red.
Okay.
Yellow ice cream cone. I told you hindi ko kulang pas.
Oh, nice and clean.
Di ba white siya?
Yeah. And what is that?
Snow house.
Igloo. Where's the igloo? Igloo. This is the igloo. O niya, kay wala man kay igloo. Awa man kay color white.
Kano, yung book.
Sige, ano mo na lang. Kaya another color mo na lang. Which do you like?
Red, make. Red and yellow, make.
Hindi naman siya paint eh, para makombine mo eh.
Orange, pink lang. Red, yellow,
Sige
make
na yung color
orange.
it para makapresent tayo sa next pictures. Sige. Sige na, yellow mo na, i-color mo na yan. What you call this one?
Snow.
Egg.
Igloo.
Igloo.
Oh, so yellow.
Yung wala tayong color white eh.
It's white. Wait, no.
So, wala eh.
Oi, 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 oi. Two more, three, four. Oi, four more left.